Discover the perfect blend of elegance and modern living in this stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage home located in the gated community of Winsford and Hollytree. With its old-world feel and contemporary amenities, this home is designed to impress. Boasting a spacious and open floor plan, it offers the ideal setting for both relaxing and entertaining. Step into a beautifully designed home featuring lovely ceiling treatments, crown moldings throughout, and wood flooring that adds warmth and sophistication to every room. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the den and dining areas, perfect for entertaining guests. Enjoy cooking in the chef's kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and island with breakfast bar. The master bedroom is a private retreat with a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom that includes a soaking tub, double vanity, and separate shower. The 4th bedroom is located upstairs and features a large walk-in closet and a full bath, making it an excellent flex space for a home office, guest suite, or playroom. Custom blinds, arched doorways, and neutral colors throughout the home create a timeless and elegant atmosphere. Enjoy the beautifully landscaped yard and outdoor patio, perfect for al fresco dining and relaxation. The spacious 2-car garage provides ample storage and parking space, and the gated community adds security and peace of mind. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Come see. Come by.